Okay, after setting up the parameters of our project venturi, we can now run the simulation. Okay, to run the simulation, we can just click the venturi project name and then run. Okay, so we have to make new calculation and then run. So this is the calculation is being done, say on the right side plane. Okay, all right, solver is done, finish. So we close. Now we can in order for us to see the flow inside, either we make the sectional view like this, okay, or you can make this as transparent. Okay, it means transparent. We can select here and then use this area. Okay, become transparent. Or if you want, you can use this. Right. So for me, it's better to have this sectional view. Okay. So on the sectional view, we can see now it's already here, means the result is already inside. So we can insert flow trajectory in order for us to see the flow of air inside this venturi. So what happened to the flow? So we select this space and we also select this space. Right. So we can add 20 to 50. All right. So instead of a pipe, we are going to use a spear or arrows. Okay. So for me, I use spears on this simulation and then check. So this is the flow of air inside. So this is in velocity. Okay. We can also change this one to pressure. Check. So now it's become pressure. So the pressure, if you want to see, you have a high pressure here and the lowest pressure is the blue as indicated on this bar graphs, right? So we can make the flow live by making it play. So you notice that this is the pressure. Okay, now we can change also this one to velocity. As I mentioned to you, we can change this one to velocity. All right, check. Now it's the velocity. So the fastest is on this area, and also this area is the lowest in pressure. We can also insert surface parameter if we want to see the numbers of the minimum maximum pressure. So if we want pressure, we click pressure, and then if we want velocity, we can click velocity and then show. So now this is the numbers of the average pressure and average velocity. But if you want the minimum and maximum, let's say now it's velocity. So this is the highest velocity. So we can go to the maximum reading, which is 256. Okay, the velocity. The unit is meter per second, right? And then if we want pressure, maximum pressure, which or the lowest pressure, because that is what we want to have. So it is 100,484 pressure. So meaning if we change this to we check first. So if we change this one to pressure, so the pressure will be on this area. Right. So that's it in analyzing the result of a flow simulation in a venturi.